What's up, guys? Today is Wednesday. We took another trade on gold. Waited patiently and got the trade. Perfect execution, perfect everything. Sent it to the group. We're gonna break that down again. If y'all know what the reasons are for posting, it's because we're preparing for our new Propfirm after blowing 4 accounts. So by next week, we're starting with the real challenge. Hopefully, it'll go as smooth as the demo. Because it's always easy on demo. So guys, this is basically where we were looking at gold. We were originally looking for buys, but the buy entry model was not kicking. So of course, if the original direction doesn't kick in, you look for the other side. We started focusing on the sells, waiting for the FVG to get filled. All we needed was one more bearish candle that was stronger than the previous push, the retracement. Then I knew that around this point would have been a good point to enter. So all we're doing here is just making sure that the entry is still valid. The setup at this point is still valid because you can see it bounced off the yellow support resistance. At this part, you can already see that we entered gold. It was moving heavy. But then we still got the entry. All we're waiting for was a retracement back into our original entry zone so I could get further entries, more entries. Because, risking the right amount is also key to trading. But if it did move, it was still okay. It was still no problem at all. We did send out the signal to the group, to the people that we trade with, showing them the idea, showing them what we wanted. And later, as you can see, it ended up moving a 1-to-3 ratio, got our TP, and that was it. It was done for the day. So guys, that was basically the breakdown of the gold trade that we took today. If I was on the currently, practice-wise, I'm basically up 8%. If I traded 1.5% risk, I would be up 8%. If I was trading with the 1% risk, I would be only up 4%. So it still goes to show, because yesterday we took a loss and then we took a W. Today we took another win. I'd be done with this whole thing in a week. So the only thing is kind of always analyzing what stops you mentally when you're in a trade, because most of the times it's easy to make profit, but it's harder to stay consistent. Why? These are the type of things, the type of questions you must ask yourself on a daily as a professional. In my case, I'm profitable, trying to be a profitable trader. But till we get there, once we get there, y'all are gonna see. So tomorrow we'll see what's the update, because we're basically done. At this point, it's just continue studying until I'm ready for next week. So catch y'all tomorrow. Yeah.
Bro,
I'm gonna get the pin, bro. Get the pin. I'm not gonna get the pin.
You're not seeing, man. You don't see how the power is in your hands, man.
Sure. Fuck off, man.